I'm Ira, and welcome to this week's ELFT Video News. First, would you like to help shape the Trust Equalities agenda? Are you passionate about equality, diversity and inclusion? The Trust Women's Network are looking for 2 Women's Network leads. Join us to celebrate women's skills and talents, connect with colleagues and challenge gender stereotypes. See the intranet for more details. Next up, the BAME Network are working to offer a programme of weekly group support sessions for allied healthcare workers and nurses with overseas heritage. The programme kicks off with a webinar on 3rd of February. You can see the intranet or what's new for more details. And finally, with England sticking to Plan B measures until further notice, it is vital that all our clinicians are confident using the appropriate virtual consultation platforms to meet with service users. There will be 2 sessions held at the end of January. See the intranet for more information. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next week.